Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I still think that we're in a wave 5. I think this is the end of a wave 4. I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave 5. This all-time high level right here, when we do get to that level, I think that it probably will have a pretty big reaction to that area, but I still think that it is going to break out and probably go up to around the 2250 to 2350 as my target for this wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1. A, B, C down, probably a 2. I still think this is all part of a wave 3. Now, like I said, I'm sure that there's going to be a reaction in this area, probably a pretty big reaction, but I still think that on the daily, weekly time frame that it will continue to make higher lows, and it will continue to trend up in a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the end of that wave 2, which means that this is a 1, this is a 2, and we're currently in a wave 3. Like I said, I do think that there is a chance that it could make a big pullback up in this area, but I do think that it is going to continue. I think it's going to break out, and like I said, 2250 to 2350 is my target on this, and I think that it's probably going to get there within the next couple months. So heading down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up just in case it does decide to make a bigger correction, which I kind of think that it probably is going to end up going down again, probably making a bigger correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. I bet that since they were so close to those all-time highs, which is all-time highs is around 2078 or so, 2077, I think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure in this area, which is probably going to help drive it down, but then everybody's going to get trapped in a short, I believe, because I think that it is going to keep on trending up. So going down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, if it breaks this structure to the downside, I would say that that is telling us that it's going to go down again. Now, I wouldn't plan on that because it could make a higher low and just keep on trending up. I do believe we're in a wave 3 on the longer time frames, which tells me that this could very easily maintain strength. The only reason why I think that it could go down is because there's probably a lot of selling pressure, and I think this could potentially turn into a little bit of a bigger correction before it really does end up going up. Maybe going down and taking out all these lows will trap people in a sell position. It'll grab liquidity for all the big money traders, and then it'll probably bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending up is what I assume is going to happen. But like I said, unless it breaks structure to the downside, I wouldn't plan on this move down because it very easily could just keep on drifting up from here, continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.